Adding waypoints to your BioBase maps can be a useful tool for marking manual depth points, field sample points, or fish habitats. Waypoints can be uploaded to your trips and merges in GPX, CSV, and TXT formats. GPX waypoints, which can be created using your sonar device, GPS device, or GIS software, are easily uploaded using the Upload Waypoints feature. In this example, we have field sample waypoints where the vegetation was growing to the surface of the water body. We can now view these sample point locations and add manual vegetation coordinates to improve this area of the survey. Uploading waypoints in CSV or TXT format is also done using the Upload Waypoints feature, but these files have specific header and column requirements. These requirements can be viewed in the Upload Waypoint form.